Hello students, how are you? Welcome back. Today I will teach you mathematics second chapter polynomial. This is very important chapter of algebra. But very big chapter. We will learn here remainder theorem, factor theorem, identities, etc. If you are not able to understand, then you will face big problem in class 10. Okay. So give more attention to this chapter. So let us start. First, understand what is the meaning of polynomial. Okay. What is the meaning of polynomial? So polynomial has two words, poly and nomial. Poly means many, and nomial means name, parts, terms. So polynomial means many terms. But this is not correct. I will see in the next what is the actual meaning of polynomial. So polynomial is an algebraic expression. Polynomial is an algebraic expression with power of x should be whole number. Power should be whole number. So here we see algebraic expression like x square plus x plus 1. So this is a algebraic expression, and if the power is whole number, here 2 is a whole number. You know whole number? Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to infinity is called whole number. So polynomial are many types, like monomial, binomial, trinomial, higher number of terms. So polynomial having one term is called monomial, having two terms is called binomial, having three terms is called trinomial, and having four terms is called polynomial with four terms, like that. Okay. So how will you find out the given algebraic expression is polynomial? So here you see when power is whole number. Here is x power 1, so it is polynomial. But in this case 2x plus 1 by x, so this become 2x plus x power minus 1. So here is this expression is not polynomial because power is not whole number, this is negative integer. So this is not polynomial. Similarly, here is root x, 5x cube is okay, but root x means x power 1 by 2. So this is also not a polynomial. For polynomial, power should be whole number, not fraction. So this is also not polynomial. Here 2x power minus 2, this is also not polynomial because power is minus 2. Minus 2 is not whole number. So this way you will understood the given expression is polynomial or not polynomial. Now come second, degree of polynomial. So degree is the highest power of variable. In algebraic expression there will be some constant, some variable, x, y, a, b, c are called variable. So the highest power of variable is called degree. Here is in this equation degree is 5, highest degree is 5, so here is degree of polynomial is 5. Here is degree of polynomial 8. Here is what is the degree of polynomial? 2 means you can write 2 like this, 2x power 0. Any number, anything power 0 is equal to 1. So the degree of 2 is 0. When degree is 1 is called linear polynomial, and when degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial, and when degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Constant polynomial containing one constant term like 3, 5, these are called constant polynomial. Zero polynomial, 0 is called zero polynomial. Okay, the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Like 0 when multiplied, suppose 0 into x power 2 is 0, 0 into x power 5 is also 0. So degree of 0 is cannot be defined. So this is the just introduction of polynomial. You should understood this. Okay, thank you.